I'm going to show you a quick and easy way how to use AI to build a website for your project or your resume. Lovable is going to be the platform I'll be using for this case study. Go to Lovable, and when you see this interface, you probably don't need to sign up because it's by default, it's going to bring you to this interface. So it's going to be lovable.dev, and you come to your resume like this. You already have a resume. This is a copy of my resume. I built this, I think, sometimes last year. And you just copy your resume and paste it right here. And then the prompt you're going to use, like you could use a basic prompt and just say, convert this resume into a website. You just put the prompt and say, convert this resume or CV resume into a website. And that's all. And just press enter. And Lovable is just going to go ahead and do its work. So as it's spinning and building everything out, I'm just going to show you a sample website that I built before this. So I built this one just within 2 minutes before I started recording this video. You can see it has my name, my position. I didn't know I'm a content creator until now. It has my email, like my LinkedIn profile. I can literally click here and it goes to my LinkedIn profile, as you can see right here. And my career summary, my portfolio, my skills, my professional experience. And I just really like the way everything is neatly formatted. And there's a call to action at the footnote, and then it has the resources I'd linked in my resume, right? So what I did was to copy my resume and I pasted it on Lovable, and it gave me this output. So this was an example of the website I built last year. I used this one for most of my job application last year. So basically, it's pretty old interface and some of the images are gone, as you can see, but I think I really liked this one as well. I think it was around the time when they had just launched and they were gaining more traction and all that. So you as well, you can try this out. You can uh, just copy and paste your resume. And peradventure you don't have an up-to-date resume, you can just prompt it out and mention your skill set and say, oh, this is what I do, and can you help me create a website, right? And then you can start filling it out. Alternatively, you could come to your LinkedIn profile and basically copy everything on your profile like this. Like, just copy everything you can see on your LinkedIn profile regarding your work experience and paste it on Lovable. It's going to give you an output. As you can see right now, Lovable is done developing another version of my portfolio website. So this one even looks better than the one I had previously. This is how you can build a portfolio website for yourself using Lovable, and you can prompt it to a fit. You can fix things as you want. You don't have to understand design. You don't even have to have an idea about what you're doing. So when you're done with this interface and it gives you everything, you just come and hit publish. So when you publish this, you're gonna click on this link and okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and hit publish for this one. So when you hit publish, it's gonna publish this URL. So you can see this is my URL, and if I open this, I can view my portfolio website right here. And another good thing is, alternatively, if you want, you can edit your URL and just say you want URL portfolio, right? So just say you want to put URL portfolio there, and the URL becomes URL portfolio, and you can visit URL's portfolio and you see everything you have here. So you don't have to pay anyone to build a portfolio website for you. Even you can use the same thing for your business. Just go prepare a business plan or prepare a written layout for your website and then dump everything on Lovable, and it's going to arrange them this way for you. That way you have a landing page that people can visit, and then you can redirect them to maybe your email or your social media pages, or you redirect them to maybe your WhatsApp, right? So yeah, yeah, I know a lot of people already know Lovable, and most people use it for prototyping and website design. But the way I like to think of AI is to use AI for like every day-to-day tasks. Like I think of AI as a productivity tool first before I think of it on a broader scale or to solve complex solution. So if you can think of how you can apply AI to your day-to-day life, there's a stronger chance that you'll be more efficient at using it than someone who's thinking of using it for maybe more complex things, because the basic things that we use AI for actually pushes AI to new limits. For example, you can check out my video on how I use Zapier to build a job research tool. The agent goes online, gets job postings for me, and it has helped a lot of people to get jobs. So basically, think of AI first as a productivity tool before using it for complex solution.